Off today. Today we're going to be performing a complete detail. This goes beyond a regular routine maintenance that you get either monthly or quarterly. This will be focusing more on the interior where we shampoo, steam clean, extract and exterior and engine bay compartment of the vehicle. We do the whole 9 yards to give your vehicle a full reset. We start with the full interior detail. This includes a thorough vacuuming and interior decontamination treatment and shampooing of the seats. Even though this car is well maintained, we want to remove any embedded contamination that are on the chairs, body oils, and everyday wear and tear that accumulates over time. Remember, this is a year old and we never shampooed the chairs. So it's a good time to shampoo the chairs to keep them in that fresh condition. Interior cleaning isn't about the appearance of the vehicle, it's about reducing odors, preserving the material, and keeping the cabin fresh and clean. Our complete detail also includes the engine bay compartment. This helps reduce any built-up and debris within the engine bay compartment. It also chases away any pests that could be within the engine bay compartment. And if you have a shipping inspection coming up, this will guarantee your pass because this is what they look for in Guam shipping inspection. For the exterior, we're going to perform a good thorough hand wash that is safe for any painted surface, especially if it's coated or has a film on it. Our exterior detail also includes the wheels, tire, wheel wells, Rain-X on all your windows, and then we do apply a ceramic wax or a post-ceramic spray coating depending if your car is coated or not. But regardless, this is going to set the stage to remove any buildup that is caused by road debris, environmental factors, and we can maintain it moving forward as we continue to see the vehicle on a recurring basis. Our complete detail is perfect for those who are looking to do an annual or biannual basis. It's great to reset the vehicle. And if you're trying to prepare your vehicle for shipping or resale, this is a perfect option for you. It's also a great option for owners who want to stay ahead of the wear and tear than rather wait for neglect to be built up. And once your vehicle is complete with a complete detail, the best way to keep it looking this way is through regular maintenance. Our maintenance service is designed to preserve the work that's already been done, keeping your interior clean, the exterior protected, and preventing heavy buildup from returning. It's about restoring cleanliness and maintaining the materials and creating a strong foundation that makes ongoing maintenance easier and more effective. At Cherry Auto Detailing, we focus on quality, consistency, and professionalism in every service we perform. If you're ready to reset your vehicle or you want to help maintain it after your detail, give us a call or visit our website to learn more about our complete detail or about how to maintain your vehicle properly.